Hi, I'm Ms. Pearl today, and we're going to go over our cell models. So that since you've had 2 weeks off from class, I wanted to give you an update from the models that we did. We have our square plant model and our circular animal cell model. Now we're going to add our cream cheese icing, one of my favorites, because I like cream cheese icing and I'm going to have to eat these cookies since nobody's in my classroom. So we're going to add it to the cookie as our base, because what keeps all the organelles together is the cytoplasm gels. But I really didn't want to put any Jell-O on it, so we decided for ice cream. All right, Parker, can you put it on the cytoplasm? Great job. And today I have a helper in my classroom. It's Parker, my nephew, and he is making our beautiful cytoplasm. All right, make sure we add it to our plant cell. Good job. This one too. Lots of cream cheese icing for Aunt Jo and Parker to eat. Or for most of my students, Ms. Pearl. Thank you, Parker. All right, now let's add our cell wall. All right, Parker, you're going to put this all around the side, okay? Because green for plants, because plants have a cell wall. Okay, let's do it lightly. There we go. Now we got it going. All right, Andrew's going to help a little bit more so we get that outside layer, because the cell wall supports and protects the plant cell. But when you get new products, you got to always work it. Now, while a plant cell has a cell wall that keeps everything together, so you can see we have our cell wall, it also has a cell membrane. A cell membrane, yes. So we're going to add the cell membrane right here on the inner side of the cell wall, because it allows what comes in and out of the cell. Whoa, even better job with our cell membrane. Excellent job. So we did red because it lets things in and out. All right, so we have our cell membrane. I'm going to add a little bit. All right, now we have our cell wall, our cell membrane. But what is the biggest part of this plant cell? It's the vacuole. So let's add a huge vacuole here, Parker. Can you add the vacuole? A big, big circle. Because in the plant cell, it holds all the water, waste, and food. Okay. Excellent job. All right. We're going to do the yellow in just a little bit. We need some time to make sure our vacuole is big enough. All right, so we added a nice fuel vacuole because it's filled with tons of water. All right, now it's a plant cell, right? So we need to make sure that we add our chloroplasts. So let's add more green. They're little bits of green pancakes that make plants green. Good, add some more because there's plenty of chloroplast. Good. And keep adding. Awesome. Awesome. All right. Now, while our plant cell is decorated, it is not exactly to real light, but it is, we're trying to make a model. Now we have our yellow. Our yellow is a mighty color. So with yellow, we need to make sure we have that mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. All right. Excellent job. We're adding those pancake sizes. We're making them little bits of powerhouse, full of tiny energy. Excellent. Parker, are you showing them muscles to make that mitochondria? Show your muscles. Show your muscles. Good job. Okay, so we have our mitochondria, which is a powerhouse of the cell, which makes where our cellular respiration happens. Now, mind you, we did make this with a 5-year-old, so our cell models in class were much better, and I will post those pictures. But we have our first plant cell, excellent, and the plant cell is square. Now heading over, we have our animal cell, which I don't know about you, but I'm made of an animal cell too. And you are too. So an animal cell doesn't have a cell wall, but it does have a cell membrane. So come on, Parker, let's add our cell membrane all around the cell. All right.
Wow, that's a really big circle.
It is. And I'm going to make it frilly. I'm going to make this fun because, you know what? Let's make it fun, right, Parker?
Yeah.
Come on over here.
Let's add whatever we want.
Yes. Because are we made of animal cells?
Yes.
Yes, we are. Okay. We're not going to add as much green because green is not really found in the animal cell. Because are we green?
No.
No, we're not green. But we have our cell membrane that lets things in and out. And we have a small vacuole. So Parker, why don't you add the small vacuole?
Okay.
Get to work. Now they have a small vacuole because we need our waste, our water, and our food, but we don't need as big of a one as the plant cell because we don't need as much water. But let's jazz it up, right? Because it's for the animal cell and we're made of animal cells, right?
Yes.
Okay. Come on over here, Parker. Now we have our vacuole. We have our ribosomes. We have our cell membrane. Do we need to add the mitochondria?
Yes.
Okay, let's add it. Let's add mitochondrias. Mitochondrias. You try, Parker.
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria. Mighty mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell. Excellent. So now we have our cell models here with our plant cell. Now there are many more shapes that are organelles that are in the plant and animal cell. We are just keeping it simple here for today based on our curriculum and based on the amounts of colors that I had in. And I thought it would be a fun project to help my nephew, who's 5, learn about cells. Parker, come on over here. Did you have a lot of fun making our cell models?
Yes.
Do you know we're made of animal cells?
Yes.
And do you know plants are made of plant cells?
Yes.
And what's the powerhouse of the cell? The mitochondria.
The mitochondria.
All right, thank you guys for tuning in. We're just doing a review of cells. We'll do cell hierarchy, and we'll also do cellular respiration, photosynthesis, and we'll also do cell theory as a review. Bye, kids. See you real soon.